So I went ahead and thought I'd do a better job and take two planters of mine and put them together just to create this little table stand that I'm gonna put my vase back on. So I'm gonna show y'all that. This look better. Yeah. And over here, mirror. I'm so happy he turned off that copyright music, y'all, because at first I was gonna have to do a voiceover on the last clips. But yeah, this is the finished look of my side table vase decor thingy here. And I really love it. I'm thinking about adding some eucalyptus to this little vase here, but I may just keep it the way that it is. But overall, I just love how I put it together. I need to sweep this up over here. But yeah, love it, love it. Give y'all another look at my little decor. Okay, so I added a flower from my garden to the little vase here. Love it, love it. So probably right there. Hello y'all, welcome back. Today is October the 13th. Wow, time is just flying. But I just got up and said, okay, I'm gonna fix that little stand for my vase in my office bedroom. And I did that today instead of going to like the department store and purchasing a side table stand. Why not just use what I already have? So basically, that's what I did, just shop my home and got creative with my glue gun and glued the planters together, and bam, there I got a side table for my room, vase new home. So yeah, so excited, because I was so debating to go to Home Goods today, but I know I still want to go to Target and look in the Target dollar spot section at some things. I don't want to be spending a lot of money, but I still want to go and spend about $5 or $10. You get what I mean? Because I'm just up to my Home Goods shopping shenanigans, okay? We not spending a lot of money, but we spending $5 or $10. Because y'all know that it can get expensive. I know I want to make some coffee. Look, I just don't want to be coming on here making coffee, but I need my coffee right now. So it was the farmer's market cup yesterday, so I'm gonna switch it out. I love switching out my cups, by the way. I know I mentioned this to y'all before. Put that up there. Okay. So for my shenanigans day, I'm gonna go in with my Disney 100 coffee cup. Give it a rinse out. Fill this cup up so I can put it in my Keurig, the water. The shenanigans are on today. blueberry crumble cakes. So I'm just trying to make today fun by just getting up on this lovely Sunday. This is kind of like a Sunday home reset. That's what I'm gonna call this vlog. Sunday home reset. Shop my home to create a side table for my bedroom vase new home. That make any sense? Or is that too long? Now, the YouTube vlog title may be different from what I just said, but it's gonna be somewhere near what I just said. Okay, so last night I realized when I went to the Ross way across town, I realized that they do not have a Marshall's over there anymore, because there used to be a Marshall's. I was looking for the Marshall store before I went inside the Ross store last night, and the Marshall store closed down. They do not have a Marshall's out here, I don't think, anymore. But I was shocked, like, because I really wanted to go to Marshall's last night, or TJ Maxx. But let me tell you this, when you want nice home decor furniture pieces, you have to spend the money for it. Now, as y'all can see from my previous video of, you know, decorate with me a little bit, you saw how I put my vase on top of that little wood stand and with the basket. That was like super, super ghetto. But I know that, okay, if I want like a nice little stand to put that vase on, I'm gonna have to spend the money for it. There's nothing wrong with spending money, but I don't know. I just prefer to try to save money instead of going crazy. But I'm planning on spending money when I move. Just on a nice bed set, maybe new furniture and stuff like that. Yeah, you need to spend some money if you want nice things, especially when you want to buy what you like. You have to spend the money. We know refrigerators, stoves, and furniture is expensive, because I remember when I used to buy my ovens and my washers and dryers, I used to spend like $1,000 on those pieces to go into like my home. It's expensive. And so I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a little bit. I'm gonna get ready to cook lunch and stuff. Yeah, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. I have a confession to make, because I was just sitting here thinking to myself about how I am with my personal hygiene care. Now, the latest personal hygiene care video I did, y'all did see this bottle of lotion that I did not put on after I filmed that, you know, feminine hygiene care video. I have a bad habit of not wearing lotion a lot. Okay, this camera is crooked. Ooh. Ooh, I can't stand this tripod. Okay. So yeah, I have a bad habit of not wearing lotion on a daily basis. And this has started when I was a little girl. Now, I will put on vitamin E oil on my skin. I prefer body oil over lotion, to be honest with you. Y'all, so it will be 32 days until my 39th birthday this year. Yes, I will be turning the big 3 and 9. Wow, I just can't believe it. Now that I look back, time has really gone by so fast. I remember when I was in my early 30s. I even remember when I was in my 20s. Can't get those days anymore, but every day I'm gonna live in the moment and appreciate life and just celebrate my birthday every year. But wow, 39 years is coming soon. Y'all, let me fix this camera. I need to put y'all on my other tripod, but I'm too bougie to use my other tripod. Okay. Get you settled in. Look, tripod. Y'all. Okay. Hey y'all, it is a little later in the evening and I'm thinking about taking y'all to Target with me. Hopefully I can find some new home decor items at Target, and I also want to take a look at the Target dollar spot and maybe purchase like 5 little things for $1 out of the dollar Target spot little section of the store. Because looking at home decor, we being inspired, but we not spending a lot of money. Yeah, because I don't want to spend a lot of money. But under one exception, if I see a nice decor piece that costs like $10, I might buy it. Just depend on what it is. I might buy the decor piece. But anywho, yeah, I want to hurry up and get to Target so we can see what's at the store. And I did put on some concealer. Y'all don't talk about me. Just wanted to lighten it up a little bit. I'm practicing. I am, okay? But I'll pick y'all back up once I get to the store because I ain't got nothing else to talk about right now. Let's go. This is actually heavy. I love this marble tray. I love this wood piece. And that bench right there. Love it. Ooh, and I even like this stool right here as well. And this old school straw decor type of console table. Cute. Love those vases. Yeah, they have old school record players. They're perfect for like a Christmas gift. Nice. Love those little plant trees right there. So actually this weave tray is nice. I like it. Really nice. Y'all, I'm not sure what I want to buy, but just walking around here seeing what's on sale, to be honest with y'all. Oh, this is so cute. This actually fits me. I love the color of this vase, to be honest with you. Really like it. And then they have the gold garbage can. I can make a table stand out of these gold garbage cans, to be honest with y'all. At this point, I'm just, you know, going around the store trying to figure out what I'm gonna buy. So let's go over to another home decor department. Yeah. So I like this marble tray, and this one is $25, and this is what it looks like. You can do breakfast in bed with this. These are some cute peppermint little plates, and then they have the big plate. These are something perfect for like cookies, and then they have the peppermint bowls. I thought this was so cute and wanted to show this Two, like this ribbed coffee cup. I finally found some Miss Meyer's fall leaves. Y'all, this little ribbed cup is so cute. So I'm loving this exotic leaf wallpaper right here. It's $34 and I just love it. Love these baskets right here. I could use this as a side table. I got those there. But yeah, I most definitely think that this basket is stylish. My store also have these candles. Y'all, I look a hot mess, but I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog. It's late. I'm about to get my butt in bed in a little while. I know on the other vlog last night I did not close out the vlog. I apologize for that, but I'm wishing you all a blessed good night, and I will see y'all next time in the next daily vlog. Good night. I'm done with my going to the store, buying stuff, shenanigans for the weekend, but it was fun, but there's gonna be no more spending money. Yeah, because I do not want to go broke. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good night. Until then, peace out. So here in my office bedroom, I added the strawberry cover to go over my power outlet. I got it for like $1 at Target. I think it's real cute. Let me get a thumbnail.